guys, if you're new, hey guys, welcome back to another video. So if you're new, please subscribe, and if you're not, hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, I'm back and everything's in front of me. I watched a little bit of YouTube, but that's okay. So guys, today we're going to be making the smallest slime in the world. Not in the world, we don't really have made slime, but we're going to try. Okay, let's start. We have some clear here. Just keep mixing. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so I like when I just guys, I'm gonna keep mixing and then when I finish I'm gonna get back to you. It didn't went out well, but look here. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. In a day I'm gonna make 2 videos, so get ready for tomorrow. I may get bored. If I get bored, I'm gonna make a 3rd video. Whatever you want. So guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and comment down below what slime do you like it. Do you like it big or small or clear slime or white slime? So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah.